Today's plant managers, process engineers, and maintenance managers all share one goal: keeping processes running smoothly and continuously, preventing downtime at all costs. But with skilled workers leaving, outdated control loops, and rising pressures for sustainable energy, that's becoming more challenging. The solution? FOCUS-1, the world's first all-in-one smart meter valve from SAMSON and KROHNE. Designed to simplify operations, reduce maintenance, and prevent downtime. Traditional control loops rely on multiple separate components, each taking up valuable space and requiring specialized expertise to manage. With FOCUS-1, you can replace all those components with just one device. This makes installation quick and frees up space. FOCUS-1 is designed to be simple for anyone to use. Its built-in computer processes large amounts of data in an easy-to-read format, helping to keep FOCUS-1 running smoothly and preventing failures, even without specialized workers. Plus, the dashboard is accessible on any web browser or smart device, allowing your team to easily set control parameters, monitor system health, and review process history. If something breaks, FOCUS-1's modular design allows you to replace just the faulty part, keeping the system running without taking your plant offline. With traditional setups, you might be forced into costly shutdowns. But FOCUS-1's built-in digital twin predicts what the broken component would have measured, so you can continue running smoothly while planning repairs at a convenient time. Originally designed for liquid applications, FOCUS-1 reduces the complexity of your operations, helping you achieve greater efficiency with fewer resources. And the best of it, it costs you less than your traditional control loop. Join us in transforming plant efficiency with FOCUS-1's smart, intuitive solutions. Visit us online to learn how FOCUS-1 can keep your plant running at its best, with less downtime and less hassle.